what do I mean by a 123 epidemic? I'm just being facetious. It's a problem I'm seeing on more and more of these late model, late 85 123 sedans, coupes, and station wagons, and that's the problem right there. This rear bumper rubber is falling off. It's either falling off or it's getting loose. Just in this area, I've seen 3 in the last couple of weeks. I'm not kidding you when I say this is an epidemic. Look at this. This is another W123. Look at that rear bumper rubber. See? The clips have come unhooked from the bumper. So, we're seeing this all up and down the road. This one here doesn't look too bad when you walk up to it, but let's go off to the side here. And once again, you can see the crack here in the rubber. And there it is. It's coming off. Epidemic for sure. A lot of people try to glue this, but it doesn't work too good. Now let me show you a W123 that does not have this problem. This is a 1980 300D non-turbo. So from 1977 in the US market till 1980, they didn't use the plastic strip here. That piece that holds the bumper rubber on is integral with the aluminum bumper. Now the problem was that corrodes. So I think the designers felt they needed to go to plastic to reduce corrosion, but generally, unless your car has been subject to road salt and has severe corrosion on this bumper, you usually don't see this problem on these earlier models. And of course, the epidemic has affected me. I even have this problem on my pristine 1981 300 TD wagon. You look at it from a distance, it doesn't look too bad. But you come up close and you see this kind of gap in here, and then you just start pulling on it. Look at that. It's loose. And you can see right here that the piece of plastic, 3 or 4 of those clips are broken. It looks like there's glue in there. Somebody's tried to glue it. I said, I got to come up with a kit. I got to come up with a repair kit with full instructions that will help the owner of one of these later model W123s fix this problem. It's everywhere. And it can be fixed in a couple of different ways. You have an easy way and a difficult way, and it depends on how rusty the car is and how hard it is to get to the bolts and everything. I've created a kit with some hardware and some supplies and complete instructions. You can just fix this, and it'll be fixed permanently. You don't even need to buy new plastic pieces if you don't want to. So if you're interested in that kit, you're interested in fixing your own W123 rear bumper rubber, just check out the link in the description below this video, and it'll take you right to my website, and you can see what I've done to solve this epidemic.